1. Ebu Empire immediately knocking the red off for 5 quick points. Team Rocket getting 2 cubes ready, lifting up in an attempt to get them into the goal. Ebu Empire looking to do the same with another green cube. Team Rocket trying to grab some more green cubes. 35 seconds, you may now switch drivers. Team Rocket going to dispense some cubes into the goal. And they get 2 in. As we get to 25 seconds, you must switch drivers. It looks like Team Rocket is trying to get these reds off the post with 5 points each. As we're moving to the end of the match, we're going to see if any teams can successfully pull out the park before the time expires. With 5 seconds left, the Ebu Empire is going for the park. Team Rocket trying to score 1 extra. All right, qualification match 40. We have 5813 Tiger Sharks and 8010.